So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check how your website is gonna look on Google search bar, how it's gonna appear on it. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for a meta tags .io. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Now here you have to paste the URL of the site of which you want to check. For example, let's just write www.facebook.com. For example, you have to write the URL of your website. Once I do that and hit parse meta tag, it will take some time and preview me how my website is gonna look on the Google search bar. You can see it will appear right here as a preview. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.